Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a blueberry cheesecake latte. Thought about this recently because I had blueberries and I just did homemade version of Dunkin' banana blueberry refresher. If you didn't see that, make sure you check that out. So I was like, let me use this as well. So here's my blueberries I washed off. I squeezed some more additional lemon juice and put some white sugar. I just have that in a bowl. Also have my cream cheese. I already sweetened it by putting white sugar in. My white sugar, my whole milk, my crumbs, crumbs, left no crumbs. Obviously I did. My graham cracker crumbs. If you seen the other video, I didn't have heavy whipping cream to make my cold foam. I'm gonna be using spray bottle. I'm gonna be using coffee, I guess espresso. So yeah, hopefully it's good, strong. And lastly, I will be using my sugar-free shortbread syrup. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna get started. The buttery shortbread. I'm gonna put a little bit in here. 1, 2, 3. All right, I have that on medium high heat. Smells good though. It smells like blueberry bubblegum. I'm gonna the other part of what you call like, that's really good. What's that smell? Forgot this cookie, y'all. Let me turn this down so now. It smells so good in here. Oh my goodness. For a girl to like salt in her stuff, I always be forgetting. I'm gonna use a little salt too, probably like a pinch to bounce off some of the sweetness. Mix it up. I'm gonna turn it off too. And put it right in here to cool on down. Cool it down, cool it down. Ooh, watch out. It's gonna watch out because it's gonna go in the refrigerator. Oh yeah, I'm gonna taste this too. Better believe that. It's good. Yeah, that salt was good because it balanced it off. It's not too sweet. It's good. All right, while that's cooling down, I'm gonna make the cold foam. I can use the cold foam for the bottom and the top. Cause you really don't see much. See that you only see at the top. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of milk in here. All right, and I'm gonna put like a pinch of salt. Put a lid on it and then shake it. Okay, it's incorporated. However, I'm gonna put a little bit more whipped cream because like I said, I'm gonna do the top and the bottom, but I still want it to be enough of this. Don't get loud on me. Oh wait, it's about done. Yeah, I know I didn't use that much for it to be done like this that quick. When I tell you, how dare you? You probably use this as a substitute, but it ain't gonna really go too far. What's this, like the second time I done with recipe and it's gone already? Thank you, Jesus. I got more. Yeah, whipped cream. Put a little bit in here. Thought you was stopping something. You ain't stopping that. And not. Yeah, go right in there. I'm gonna put the lid back on here again and then shake it again. All right, I'm gonna just go at half and half right now. Half of it in here, but I'm also gonna pour half in here. That's what I'm gonna do with the bread. So this part, or at the bottom, I'm gonna put it to the side. Then this part, I'm gonna take a little bit of my cream cheese, about this much. Okay, shake this, but I'm gonna see if I can just froth it. It's pretty. I'm gonna shake it too because I don't know if that cream cheese is like incorporated good. Cause I still see it like in chunks a little bit. I know I could put it in my like food processor to incorporate it more, but I don't want to. I don't feel like doing that. I'm gonna taste it though. This do taste like a blueberry cheesecake, but it's just this cream cheese is not well incorporated. This is good. Okay, I put my ice in here already. Now I'm gonna take my preserves. I'm gonna take a little bit of graham cracker. Oh, why y'all didn't remind me to put this cold foam in first? That's what I'm supposed to put in first. Put in my coffee. Usually I put a little bit more milk in there, but hey, you see, I ain't got no room. Alright, and I'm gonna put in my purple coat foam. There's not really enough room, but hey. Ooh. Put some more preservatives. Y'all see that? I'm gonna take some of my graham crackers again. Well, feast your eyes on this. It's gonna spill. Yeah. Well, you seen the thumbnail? That's why you clicked on, ain't it? Oh, you know, probably because of, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I did taste that clump of cream cheese just now. I forgot I gotta mix it up too. Oh, this is starting to get stuck in so many blueberries. Yeah, this is just like a blueberry cheesecake. It's sweet. Come on. Whatever, y'all. I was like right there in my throat. Yeah, it's sweet, but it's not like overly sweet. How you think it would be. I'm trying to get a little bit more, but it's still good though. It's sweet enough though. Now the cream cheese didn't incorporate. It's still a big old blob. Next time when I take my food processor and try to incorporate it so it can like actually break down, but you still get that cream cheese taste. It's just like a blueberry smoothie / milkshake. This is good. I'll give this a 9.9. It's not a 10 because I want the cream cheese to be incorporated more. If I do that, it'll be a 10. 10 all day, baby. But to that fact, it's a 9.9. I still want to rate it a 10, even though it's not incorporated. This is good though. And you taste the pieces of the graham cracker crumbles as well as that buttery taste, because you know I use that shortbread. And the shortbread is sugar free. If you've seen the video when I first tested it out, it had aftertaste. You don't taste the aftertaste on here because I use the sugar for, you know, for the preserves. This is good, y'all. Make this. It's a blueberry cheesecake for real. In a cup. You don't want no cake, muffin, or you don't want a muffin top. I'm talking about the muffin you eat. Oh yeah. You know, you can drink it. I want the coffee. It was good. It wasn't as strong as I thought it would be, but I think when you use like the brews like this that's already in the container, it's not as strong as if you actually use, because I don't know, I like the instant coffee. I feel like the smell of the instant coffee is stronger as well as the taste really. To rate that, I'm better off just getting like the instant coffee or something. Hit this recipe. Yeah, let's say.